up, my beautiful flowers, and welcome back to another beautiful freaking video. As you can tell by the title of this video, we will be doing a cleaning day. Okay, today will be focused on cleaning, decluttering, reorganizing, getting things taken care of so they can get unpacked. A bunch of things to unpack here, okay, within the span of about 3 hours. Today is June 1st, and so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna prep for the first of the month, and it's been long overdue, okay? If you're into witchy things like me, the first is a big thing, okay? We're supposed to set the mood for the rest of the month, and I've been slacking since we've moved in April, and I need to get the energy right in my home. I need to get it cleared. I need to get it fresh. I need everything to be good. So without further ado, let's get into this video before I start rambling on, because you guys already know me. I'm a yapper and I will continue to yap. So let's go. Guys, so I just finished vacuuming, sweeping. I just have to mop. That's like the only thing that's left. And I'm gonna start getting dinner ready as well. I already have the turkey sausages in the sink right now, defrosting, so that way I can make pasta for dinner tonight. There's other things that I want to do. I think I might like have that like off camera and do tomorrow, so that way I can focus and get them done really quickly. But right now I'm just chilling, guys. I'm waiting for this water to boil for my mop water, and then I'm gonna mop the kitchen, the foyer, and the 2 bathrooms. I don't have a lot of floor to mop, thank God. In our last apartment there was no carpet. Everything was tile and wood. So thankfully in this apartment there's vacuuming, so that doesn't take me that long to do. I do have to break a sweat. I am sweating a little bit, but other than that I'm doing fine. I also forgot to mention earlier in my video, but if my face is swollen on this side, it's because I got my wisdom tooth taken out. The last one, guys, the last one. There's no more going back for my wisdom teeth. But I got the last one taken out last week Thursday, and so my face is still swollen. She's going down. Since I just finished cleansing, I'm going to start cooking dinner. And if you're interested what I used to cleanse, I used Palo Santos, and then right now I'm going in with an incense to attract abundance and prosperity. Now that our house is cleansed, protected, removed all that bad juju energy, now we are going to welcome in abundance. Right now I want to cook. I'm hungry, so that's what we're gonna do right now.